Today we're going to be doing an oil change on the Civic. Things you need: tools for the drain plug, a drain pan, oil to put oil in the engine, safety stands, which I use all the time.
You sure about that?
All the time. So you're going to find a good lifting point, and I'm just going to make my own lifting point because I do what I want. Down there, see the jack right down there? That's my lifting point. My lifting point. You can use the
You can use sides, but
Just
for this I'm
sides.
using the front.
but yes, thank you.
Okay, let's go, Troop. Put some muscle into it.
There you go. I trust they do it outside. Yeah. Anyone can do it. So this right here is how you do an oil change anywhere, any weather, any climate, even in winter.
Okay, trusty Matt. There you go.
Just mat, slide under there.
There's some
Go on.
All right. So now you go under the car and go to bed. So.
Yeah, you don't go to sleep. You go in the car and take something perfect.
I always bring a hammer for no reason, in case I get mad.
You don't need that.
You don't need a hammer, but I need one. I got anger issues.
Yeah, call it go-to emotion.
Then I look and I see the drain plug. It says engine oil with an arrow on a Honda because Hondas are cool. Alright, yeah, 17 works. Okay, shoot, get under here. Go on the other side. There you are. Good. Can you see that? Put it on. Use some muscles. Make sure you have your gloves. Look like Michael Jackson. You loosen that up. See that? Be careful. The oil might be hot. You don't want it down your shirt. So you get the plug all the way you can. And boom! And that's the oil. Make sure you put your drain plug somewhere where you can find it and doesn't get dirty. So I shall put it on my mat. Then you play with the oil.
Don't play with the oil.
Just be a kid.
This is what people who spend too much time in the trade have been doing.
Play with the oil. Don't taste it. And then you got the filter. This is a quality blue filter. I don't know what brand it is. Looks like a Honda one. Then you grip it. That doesn't work. You can use a channel lock. Put a channel lock. So this is a channel lock. Put a channel lock and twist it. The cameraman lost my channel lock, so
Sure about that?
I'm going to improvise. I'm going to use the hammer and just break everything because that's what I do.
In the day, no.
Honda, I was right. Next step, stick in the oil. So I'm gonna put the plug in, put it back where it goes. You're just gonna snug it up. Don't ask me what foot-pounds of torque. If you need to know the right foot-pound of torque, check the owner's manual or Google. Tighten that shit. That's tight enough to me. But again, I'm very weak. Alright. Now we're gonna put some oil in the filter. I think you're a better teacher than I am. I lose my mind now. Rub a little bit of oil around the seal. Got some oil in there. So when you start the car, it doesn't take forever to fill the filter with oil. Then you get oil in the right places. Then you get on the air. As you see, I didn't fill it to the top. And then you just screw it on. Oh yeah. Whee! All right. This thing's probably shit. You can tight the filter. You don't need to use a filter wrench or whatever wrench you want to use. Use your hands. That's tight enough to me. Take my safety stands out, then load the car.
What safety stands?
On that under the side, you know?
Okay.
Alright, so now you're in the engine bay. Pay attention, okay? This right here, as you can see, it says it right there. 710 cap. Or oil cap, whichever one. Depends where you're looking at it. It might be 710, it might be oil. Who knows? Most time in your cars, it will tell you what kind of oil you need. 5W20. I'm probably not following that rule because I don't follow the rules. You take the oil cap off, or the 710, as you can see, 710 cap. And that's where the oil goes. So I know that this car should take 4.2 liter. How do I know that?
Time in.
Been around for a while. Alright, that's what I think. It might be more oil. So if you're a rookie, you get a filter. Okay? You get a filter, put it there. Me? Just gonna send this. Alright. What about 4 liters? It's like perfect. It's like I did this before. Or in another life. So there we go. Put the thing back on. So the 710 cap is back on. Just gonna put this in here for no reason. Then I'm gonna start the automobile. I was told I had to do an oil change. You let the car run to see, get the oil filter filled and get oil circulating.
How long do you let the car run for?
A minute.
A minute, 2 minutes before you check it?
Yeah, a minute, 2 minutes.
And if it's good, then what do? You good to go?
If it's good, you double check it because you're a rookie. You might want to double check it.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't park on a hill, I don't care. Take the dipstick out, don't check it the first time. Oil moving engine, in the engine, clean it off. Don't be a spin show. Just clean the oil off the dipstick. Nice and clean. Because these things are hard to read, like hard. Put it back in. Take it out. Look for the oil. It's right here.
Actually, don't see it, not color.
No? Yeah, sorry. But the color, right? Yeah. Alright, so
This is good.
I know it needs some oil.
Is it?
Get your 710 cap. Your oil cap.
I know. I can see it.
See, it says 710 though.
Every time we read it backwards, why would we read it normal?
Depends where you read it. I had someone ask me before. They only see a 710 cap and no oil cap. So. That's probably you.
No, it was on me.
Spinning. Boom, can you see her now?
Yep.
Good. No, she's good. Good. Put it back in. Remember your phone, the most important part of the day. Look at this thing. Oh, there you go. Typical Honda. Put it back in. Oh, there you go. Take a good look. Look at your power steering. Good. There's power steering fluid. Windshield washer. It's good. Bugs are not out yet. Your battery strapped down. Good. Brake fluid good. Engine in the car.